Hey, let me show you how I can quickly fix connection issue with your Nothing Ear 1. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to turn off Bluetooth on your smartphone. And now, just input both earbuds inside the charging case, close it for a few moments. Now, when this indicator turns off, open it, and now, click and hold this button, and wait until this indicator starts blinking red. It will take around 10 seconds of holding this button. And also you have to remember that you have to charge this case before you perform this. So I'm not sure if you actually seen this, but it was actually blinking red when I actually moved this case. So let's do this one more time. Now it's blinking white, but it will start blinking red. Just like this. And now you can release. Keep your earbuds inside the case, turn on Bluetooth back, and select Nothing Ear 1 from the list. As you can see now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video.